Rounds 7 through 20, you're going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. This is where we're making the body of our hen, and your work is going to start to curve up and look kind of like a bowl. When you're finished with round 7, move your stitch marker, and you should still have 48 stitches. Go ahead and continue in round 8, working 1 single crochet in each stitch. At the end of round 8, get a new stitch marker and put it in the last stitch that you completed. Using 2 stitch markers here helps us keep track of the row where we started the sequence and the current row that we're on. Now we are continuing our single crochets in each stitch for round 9. At the end of round 9, move your second stitch marker to the last stitch that you just made. You should still have 48 stitches at the end of each round, since you're only making 1 single crochet in each stitch. Continue working 1 single crochet in each stitch for rounds 10 through the end of round 20. Your work is going to start to curl. You want to shape it so you're working around the outside, and so the little tail that came from our magic circle is on the inside of the little bowl. At the end of round 20, move that stitch marker and count your stitches. You should have 48 stitches, and now you're all done with the hen's body.